For 11 plus maths, this is about reverse percentage. Reverse percentage means when you have been given a percentage change and you have been given the price or the quantity or the amount after the change. That's given, and you've been asked to find the price or the amount before the change. Okay, so we tend to go backward in here, and the mistake people make, that people use the percentage change given of the amount after, which is, it should be for the amount before. Guys, I want to tell you what I mean by this. Okay, so I'll read the question. Mind my handwriting. It says a coat is sold for £51 after a discount of 15%. Find the price before the discount. And the mistake, in my experience, people make, they try to find 15% of 51 and then add that into 51 and try and find the answer. But obviously, people, this is not the answer we're looking for, because this 15% is not on £51. This is something which is on the previous amount. Right, so what do we expect to do, guys? If there's 100% was before, then there has been a decrease of 15%, which is the change, and the final amount is 85%. Set it up in this structure. So £51 is the 81%. We have to find the 100%. And how do we figure that out? If you see this as unitary method, you can try that one as well. Okay. So let's see now. Okay, so 85% is 51. 1% we know is going to be less. So we do 51 divided by 85. And 100% we know is going to be more. So we do move or multiply times by 100. Now, guys, we're looking at fractions. Okay, let's see if we can. Right, so 5 goes into 85 17 times. 5 goes into 100 20 times. 17 goes into 51 3 times. So my final answer is 3 times 20, it is £60. And I can verify as well, which is a technique which you can use when you have multiple choice questions. Check 15% of 60 is 10% is 6, 5% is 3, so that's 9. So 60 take away 9 is 51, so that is the correct answer. Okay, so one more question. It says John's salary increased by 7%. So the change is 7% increase and is now 21,400. Let's start with, let's say originally it was 100%. So there's an increase of 7%. So it becomes 107% after the increase. Okay. And what we know is the salary after increase is 21,400. And we have to find 100%. Guys, same way, set the unitary method up, then we work on it. So 1% will be less. So for less, we divide 21400 divided by 107, and 100% will be more. So we multiply it. And guys, obviously the division can be slightly harder, but we can see this very, very clearly. 107's double is 214. We can cancel that by 2. Then there's 2 zeros. It's 200 times 100 is 20,000. Okay, once again, this is slightly harder concept, but obviously if you're given with the multiple choice answers, you can try from there. I'll do one example with that and finish the video. All right, so this is the last question. A car depreciates. Depreciates means decrease 10% each year. And okay, so find its price last year. That means you're going to go backwards. If it's 5,400 this year now. So what, because the options are given, what you need to do, you know that this 10% is not on 5,400. This is on the previous price. So you can say this is the 90%, and you'll see which one is this 90%. Okay. Step 1, guys. Your price has to be more than 5,400. So this can't be the answer. We can ignore this. This is only £10. So that's a clear mistake. We can just say that this taken £10. That can be. So answer looking for these two. Okay. Now, so we do what? We find 10% of this. 10% of this amount, this gives you 594. Okay, so we do 594, add to this, take away from this, does give you 5400, which is not. Then 10% of this, that gives me 600. If you take away 600 from 6000, does it give you 5400? The answer is yes. So C is the correct answer. Alright guys, this is all about percentage, reverse percentage for 11%. Okay, happy learning everyone. Bye.